Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. So today's video I will be mixing this blue magic. This is the super sure growth. This product is so good for hair growth. As you can see guys, I love to use this as well. So today I'm using it with another of my favorite blue magic from um favorite hair grease from blue magic, which is this Indian hems. This product is bomb guys. If you have not used this before, just go and get one for yourself. So I've already made a video how I mix this. The video is on my channel and I will leave it also at the description box below, just in case you have not seen it. Just go and check it out. So now you can take as much as you want. You can mix this less or more than this. So this is just perfect for me. You can use it throughout this week guys, throughout the week, every day on my hair. So here I have my DIY clove and ginger oil. I love this oil so much guys. So the next oil I will be adding is this my bamboo and aloe vera. You guys know that I will mix this oil with my grease because I love bamboo oil a lot and also aloe vera. So the next oil I have here is my sunflower oil. So this oil is really good to stimulate your scalp and also encourage hair growth. So I'm going to add just 1 spoon of that. So the next oil I will be adding is my castor oil. So this is the extra dark castor oil. This one is not even that heavy. So the other one, the light one, the white one, the white one is more heavier than this extra dark one. I don't even know the one that is more better, but I'm going to be using the two. As you can see, very thin. This white one is very thin. Here I have my avocado oil, which is good to moisturize. I have my aloe vera, olive oil, coconut oil. So guys, all these oil are really going to help the hair grease to boost the hair growth. That is why I'm mixing all this oil with it. So if you don't want to mix any oil with your hair grease, you can just mix the two together and just use it on your hair. So here I have my essential oil. So I'll be mixing all this. I'll be adding all this essential oil. I have peppermint, I have tea, I have lavender, I have sweet orange, I have a lot of different type of essential oil. If you don't have all these, you can use anyone that you have. It's okay. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you for your love and support. God will always send help back to you whenever you need it. So if you are just here for the first time, thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. So if you just subscribe, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you all a lot. So now after adding everything to my grease, I'm just going to mix it very well. As you can see, I'm going to make sure that everything, every oil, every grease inside are combined very well. So if you like today's video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and also thumbs up. Comment at the comment section below if you have used these two products together. So that oil down there is my everyday oil I use on my scalp. So I just finished it, so maybe I will also try to mix another one again. That is my summer oil, summer heat protect oil. I don't know how to say that. So the video is on my channel as well, how I mix those oil together on my hair, to use on my hair if I want to go outside during the summer to protect against heat damage, summer sun and sun damage. So now I'm going to pack and kind of cook everything inside my it's like this is really full, so I have to reduce it. So this is how it's looking like now. My grease is ready. You can use this every day on your hair for 1 month, every day on your hair for 1 week. Just depend on how you want to. You can use it just once a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, every day on your hair, 2 times a day. So guys, I've already done some parts of my hair, as you can see. So I've already braid my hair. This is how my hair is looking like now. Just look at that. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. So I've already braid this part of my hair, so I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to use the product on my hair. So don't mind my eyebrow. Oh shit. So this is how my hair, I just washed my hair though. I just washed my hair. So this is how my hair is looking. I'm just going to spray some water on my hair. Can you imagine? I bought a spray bottle for €1.50. Oh, I used it once and the spray bottle decided to go spoiled again. I am not buying anymore, so I'll be using this one. So now I'm just going to just work the product into my hair. Then I'm using leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to try to like working this product into your hair very well. It's very very important, guys. It's going to make your hair stay moisturized for a very long time, instead of you just to put product on your hair and just allow it to sit on top of your hair. Just make sure, give your time, massage the product into your hair very well, into your hair shaft very well, and it's going to really keep your hair moisturized. Okay, so as you can see how my hair is looking like, but that is because I really massage this castor leave-in conditioner into my hair. So the next thing, I'm going to also add the grease and also try give myself some time to work the grease into my hair very very well, guys. This product together is very good for hair growth. So give yourself some time. Just make sure that the product is inside your hair very 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 well. So after that, I'm just going to comb my hair. As you can see, just comb my hair like this. Make sure to distribute the product, the hair grease, and then the leave-in conditioner into my hair very well. Then I'm going to braid my hair as usual. So this grease means you can also use it on your scalp, but I have a video that is coming in very soon. I'm going to show you how you can mix your hair grease just for your scalp alone. That can really stimulate your scalp and increase blood flow in the scalp, and that can lead to hair growth. So if you want to see that video, all you have to do is just to subscribe, turn on your post notification, just relax, make sure your bell is on, so that video is coming in very soon. Okay, so now I'm just going to braid my hair as usual. As you can see, So guys, now that I'm done, I'm just going to add the hair grease to my hair edges, also massaging to my edges. Then we are done for the day. So this is how my braid is looking like now. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you all. I will see you all in my next video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Happy weekend. Ciao. Bye.